What does gel product compatibility mean?
There are millions of gel brands on the market with millions of different types of formula, and they don't all play well together. And what happens for gel is that sometimes if things don't play well together, you'll get lifting, the product will just maybe yellow, and then you might start to see something like all these little holes, or it's like indentations on the gel. Part of that is because the chemical formula is not compatible. So there's all kinds of different things, and that's why it's important to just use all the same brand, because they have been tested to work together, which is again why everyone kind of recommends, if you're new, to just stick with all one brand. It makes it easier. It makes your life easier, because it's impossible to be able to test all the different brands against each other to find out what products are compatible with each other.